Hello, I'm Martin Holbrook, and I'd like to tell you something of the Quantel Paintbox. The Paintbox is controlled exactly as you would control traditional media. We have, effectively speaking, a pencil, except in this case it's an electronic pen, and a sheet of paper, which is in this case a tablet. And all the functions are controlled by those two elements. We don't have to learn computer programming, we don't have to understand computers at all. In fact, we're completely unaware that there's an electronic medium between us and the picture. The basis of graphics is, of course, drawing on the system, entirely freehand. One of the great pluses of the Paintbox is the speed at which you can work. This particular illustration was executed in a matter of 20 or 25 minutes from scratch, without reference. I think it'd be very hard put to do that by more traditional methods.
Hands up all those who were here that day and can remember it. That's not bad, is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, quite a here for me. Nice and happy. 1, 2, 3.